Have fun, guys. Don't sing.
But now we're on. I'm trying. Why does this keep saying we're going that way?
Okay, turn it straight it out. A little bit more my way. Remember, if you're gonna pass, you go on either side.
Hi.
Well, that's why I'm holding down the pedal. Oh. Here, turn away, turn away, turn away.
Ah. Oh, hello.
Hi, how's it going? Oh, back towards me, back towards me, back towards me, back towards me.
Stop.
Back towards me, back towards me.
I'm trying. Watch out. Daddy.
Get off your pedal.
Ah. Wait, push us.
Well, don't. Okay.
Guys, stop your pedal.
They can go now. Straighten out, straighten out, straighten out. Too straight, too straight, too straight. Okay, get ready for this turn.
Do I start turning right now?
Just wait for it.
I already started turning.
Okay, well, back towards me a little bit. You're going too early.
I know.
Now go.
Now turn. Turn, please turn. I'll try not to get
That's
lost.
okay, baby. Yeah. Let's get us going straight.
Okay, I'll try this. I'm just waiting.
Nope, nope. Sooner, baby.
We're going. No. I don't know which way to go. Luckily, I got a little wet. On the own. Oh, poor octopus.
Oh, poor little guy.
Why do people do that?
Well, it's made of Lego.
What?
Well, it's only made of Lego.
No, but why
There we go, turn. Is that all the way?
Yeah, I can't move anymore.
Okay.
We're gonna bump.
Yeah. If you're saying that's all the way.
Yeah.
Yeah?
I guess I'm not letting us.
I don't know. You're right, kid. It's just not wanting to go. Okay,
Wait.
straight up.
Just wait. Now go.
Mermaid.
Wait, go this way a little bit.
You'll just see the mermaid. Okay, too far, too far, too far, too far. Go, go, go.
I'm trying to turn. Hello, mermaid. Ah. She's singing.
Straighten her out, Harper. You're gonna turn too far.
Right now, start turning
Yep.
this way. I got
All the
hang
way.
of
Is that all the way?
Yes, it is.
So weird.
Daddy, turn this
Well,
way.
I'm trying to make sure the rudder's in the water. I don't know. Have a heavier foot. Turn.
I'm trying.
Good job, Harper.
Thank you. What do you rate me?
Guppy.
What does guppy mean?
I have no idea, but that's what I rate you as.
No, but like a 0 to 10.
I give you a 7.
Because I'm 7.
Yep.
Daddy, actually rate me up to that.
No, I'd say a 7. There were a couple of bumps. Was that fun?
Yeah,
Is it worth the wait?
kind of.
Kind of.
I'll get out.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.